Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So today we are working on email functionality in Spring Boot. To work with email, we required SMTP protocol, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, Simple Mail Transfer Transfer Protocol. Basically, if you want to send some emails, it is one of the most important communications requirement any clients, like as a, if you want bank want to the share some email to the client, then also we required a simple mail transfer protocol. But every and each company has its own SMTP protocol. it, it is a company made, means suppose I'm working with Infinix, so it is a Infinix SMTP protocol. If you are working with Tech Mahindra, so Tech Mahindra has Tech Mahindra SMTP.com kind of the SMTP protocol. So this kind of the protocol we required. This is a simple mail transfer protocol. We will send email through the using simple mail transfer protocol. For that, what we required again, next things, SMTP properties we required. We need to configure. We we required below below tasks. First, we required email starter, which contains email sender, which contains emails. Then second, we required SMTP configuration. Second, we required SMTP configuration. For example, SMTP port, SMTP port, SMTP, SMTP host, SMTP username, kind of the configuration we required. That's it. Then we can create third email utils. We will create email email utils. These are the simple things we are using to send email. Suppose we have to create a email functionality. I am going to create new one project. I am sharing the project screen. Let me share my screen. You can see here Spring Starter. I have shared my STS screen. Are you able to see STS screen, Sanket?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Email. I am giving the name email example. Email example. I am putting here next. Java mail sender. This we need to set it, and Spring Web. I am selecting Java mail sender, Lombok, and Spring Web. For the for the auto restart, I am selecting DevTools, Lombok, Spring Boot DevTools, Spring Web, and Java mail sender. That's it. These enough. Our dependencies are enough. So I am going to create project. Going to create here project created, and I'm switching to 2.5.2, not 4. I'm using 2.5.2 this dependency. So you have to also select this dependency. Mainly you require here uh, properties dot configuration file, or you require YAML dot file, properties file. We have this application dot properties file, so I am converting this into YAML file, so that will reduce the code effort. It will take lesser properties. Look at here. First I'm going to configure. I have already a few of the details, so I am taking from the my YML file. You have to fill these details as you are. I am copying that YAML to my application.yaml. Spring colon mail host must be smtp.gmail.com. If you are Tech Mahindra, you have to say select here smtp.techmahindra, smtp.infinix.com, smtp.reliance.com, kind of the host you have to select here. This is a company wide change, but we don't have right away our own smtp for the testing purpose, so we are using the smtp of Gmail. So all of those who have uh, Gmail account, they can use smtp.gmail.com. Then by default smtp port is 587. This is my username, means my email id. This is my password, so I am going to use here. And you have to start TLS enable true and auth true. This is the first step. You have to configure everything. Now second part of this email functionality, you have to create one email sending utility class. I am creating here one more package, new class. I am creating now simple one utils package, and I am creating one more class email utils. You can give any name as you require. For the make this Spring Bean, I am making @component. For the making Spring Bean, this class as a Spring Bean, so I am making this. And simply I am going to write here public string simple method send email. This method return I am sharing the boolean, so return true. If email successfully sent, then I will return true, else I will return false. So basically I am going to share here the false. What we required string to address, string subject, string body. What you want to share in the email is a body, subject as a subject, string to. That's it. Now I want here a Java mail sender. This is a Spring Boot starter emails class, Java email sender, Java email sender class. Java mail sender, or I'll say there, I'll give it the mail sender. I'll keep it @AutoWire to create the object, to inject the object. I am putting here @AutoWire. So guys, you have few of the lines code. This is one of the mail sender, and this is your method which is used to send the email. So how I can create the email? And set the to email and subject and body. So simply mail sender dot create, you can write here the create my message. This is a simple one, create a my message. My message, it is used to set your content, email content to this my message. you are preparing here the MIME message. You can prepare here the your MIME message. This object is a message. Now I need MIME message request handler, MIME message helper, new MIME message. We have created it required MIME message. Then I'll pass here true. It will create. I'll use the try and catch. Message helper. That's it. Now 3 more you have to add it. 3 more line. What you need to set in that message helper, you have to set to address, means where you have to send email, subject, which subject into your email, then body, which body you have to send with the email. These 3 you have to set with the message helper. So you can just say message helper dot set to. I'll select here the 2, then message helper dot set subject, set subject. So I'll select here subject, then message helper dot set body, set text as a body. You have created one MIME message, then you have created message helper. We have set where we have to send a email into to, which subject have to set into that message, and which body have to set in that body we are setting here. And finally we have to say message MIME message dot send.
Hello.
Yes, Sanket, you can ask me. Mail sender dot send. That's it. You have sent successfully here. We can get here real-time content. So whatever content we have get from content, we can get it and get my message. It's supposed to return. That's it. This 4 line of code you have done your. If I am checking here flag 1 boolean is set, it's sent equal to false. I am returning here is set. If is sent, successfully sent, then I am marking as a true. That's it. This is much only you have to write your method. This is only simple one method is there. This is enough to send email. That's much. Just I am creating REST controller here. I am exposing an API to execute email. Okay, so @ get mapping, simple one API I am going to expose here. trigger email, or you can say here @request mapping email trigger public string or boolean email trigger. Okay, as of now I am hard coding all the fields. I am calling that particular email utils. I am creating here email util object, util object @autowired, and email util dot send email. Three things I need to configure here. To which email ID? Prashant, let me know your email ID.
Prashant Wade 000.
Prashant Wade 000 na?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct? @gmail.com.
Yes, sir.
Okay, subject first app email, body welcome to learn email sending. As of now I am hard coding all the values. This is the email. Okay, this is your subject and this is your body. Just I am going to trigger a email. So now I am going to start my email example project. Just I'm starting run as Spring Boot, whatever Java application or Spring Boot I have run as a Java Spring Boot application. Null pointer exception. Why is showing the null pointer exception? Creating name, create email resource. Okay, email resource, request mapping, email resource, email util, email resource uncertain but email util, spring bin creations, email util defined. Okay, email util class, fail to org bin, fail to initiated constructor. Okay, email constructor. I need to put there the constructor which I haven't put. So just I'm going to write here @data. I'm putting the data. So I need and its version should be lower 2.2 only. I am checking how what is its version. Maven version Spring Boot 2.2. Something is missing, so I am going to check it once. Now you
Sir,
should
I got
be
mail.
okay. Yes, Saket, if you want to uh, Rahul, you can share your email ID. Let me know what is your email ID.
Rahul Sonile,
Rahul Sonone
11
11
22
22
33.
33. Okay, guys. So now I am again resharing, rerunning the application. Just I have exposed the simple API, but main task is email utils. Guys, you have to write 6 lines of code. You have to create a MIME message. You can attach emails, you can attach images, photos, whatever. These three are the pretty simple. Set to means where we have to send which email ID. Set subject, which subject we have to send. Text body, which body in which include the email that is going to we are share. And simply mail sender dot send, that is means we are sending, and what we are sending, whatever we have set into the message helper, that is I am getting from the message helper and sending that. And I am here setting true and returning that true. If that is not going to, if any exception occurred here, so default value is a false and returning false. And this email util I am calling into the email resource. Just I have created the object of email util and calling that particular method. It required two subject name and body. This is a very simple and pretty straightforward, which we can implement. That's it. So if I hit here one more time, Rahul supposed to get email. Still it is working. Yes, I got true. That means it sent. It triggered. Email triggered successfully. Okay. And guys, if you have to Gmail security, you have to before you have to on less secure apps in Gmail. If you have disabled this thing, you will not be able to send the emails. I have enabled this thing. Look at here, allow less secure apps on for the Google setting. If I have disabled here, and again I am going to trigger from here, so it will throw an exception. Look at here, username and password not accepted, authentication failed, mail authentication failed. Everybody, if you want to the practice, you have to go into the Google less secure app access and you have to enable that for the practice purpose, else you will get this exception. Look at here, you will get this exception, because this exception allow Google, if I have on this, that means Google wants to send the emails. If I have disabled this, that means Google not allowing or authorizing to send email via any application. So kindly verify your less secure app needs to be turned, needs to be enabled. I am going to share you if you required less secure app access. Look at here, again I got the true one. Okay, so that's it for today. If you want to ask something, let me know.